Hello children, good morning. Welcome to the tutorial. Subject English Grammar. Today we are going to do Unit 5, the adjective and kinds of adjective. First we will learn about what is an adjective. Words that describes nouns or pronouns are called adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. Those words that describe how people, animals, things or places are, that are called adjectives. All the describing words are adjectives because they describe nouns and pronouns. वो वर्ड्स जो नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं वो वर्ड्स एडजेक्टिव्स कहलाते हैं. एडजेक्टिव्स को हम नाउन्स और प्रोनाउंस के बिफोर भी यूज़ करते हैं एंड आफ्टर भी यूज़ करते हैं. एडजेक्टिव्स कैन बी प्लेस्ड बिफोर नाउन्स और आफ्टर द नाउन्स दे डिस्क्राइब. नाउ लुक एट दीज: बॉय, गर्ल, elephant, mouse and tower. All these are nouns because these are name of person, place, animal or thing. Now these nouns are described by these adjectives like happy, sad, big, small, tall. Here all these words happy, sad, big, small, tall are describing about these nouns, about the kind of nouns, what type of these nouns are. So the boy is happy, so happy is adjective. Girl is sad, so sad is adjective. Elephant is big, so big is adjective who is describing about elephant. Small, mouse. Tall, tower. Adjectives describes nouns and pronouns. Adjective qualifies nouns and pronouns. Now look at this example. My mother is very pretty. In this sentence, mother is noun because she is a person and pretty is adjective because pretty is a quality of mother. My mother is very pretty. Look at another example. Her frock is new. In this sentence, frock is a noun and new is a adjective. Word new, adjective new is describing about the frock. Frock is a noun because frock is a thing. So adjective new is describing about the noun frock. So all the describing words are called adjectives. Word that describes noun or pronouns are called adjectives. So all the describing words that describes people, animal, things and places are called adjectives. Now we will learn about kinds of adjectives. There are 6 kinds of adjectives. First, adjectives of quality. Second, adjectives of quantity. Third, adjectives of numbers. Fourth, demonstrative adjectives. Fourth, interrogative adjectives. And sixth one, possessive adjectives. Children, today in this video we will learn about only first 3 kinds of adjectives and rest of 3 kinds of adjectives we will learn in next video. So first one is adjectives of quality. First adjective, adjective of quality, answers the question of what kind. Such adjectives tell us of what kind of a person, place or thing is. That adjectives are called adjectives of quality. So adjectives of quality tells us what kind of person. Adjective of quality हमें बताता है किस तरह का person, animal, things or places. So that type of words are called adjective of quality. To understand more about the adjective of quality, look at this example. Suppose I will ask you about one boy, what type of boy he is, and if you answer me he is a kind boy. So kind is the quality of that boy. So kind is the adjective which describes noun boy. Blind man, foolish crow, clever fox. What kind of man? Blind. What kind of crow? Foolish. What kind of fox? Clever. So kind, blind, foolish, clever, all are the adjectives who describes a boy, man, crow and fox. Second one is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity answers the question how much. It tells us about the amount. How much? It tells us about the quantity. So the words that tell us how much of a thing is meant, such type of words are called adjectives and adjectives of quantity. They tell us how much the thing is. Have a look at some examples. Some rice, much money, little water, any book, enough exercise. In these examples, words some, much, little, any, enough are the adjectives of quantity. They are describing how much rice, some rice, how much money, how much water, which book, how much exercise. So all these words are describing these nouns. So these words are called adjectives of quantity. Now third one is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number answer the question how many. The adjectives that tell us how many persons or things are meant. That type of adjectives are called adjectives of numbers. Look at some examples. 5 fingers, many flowers, some glasses, few people, most children. In these examples, 5, many, some, few, most. All these are adjectives of numbers who are describing nouns, fingers, flowers, glasses, people and children. I hope you have understood about all these three kinds of adjectives. Now we will do exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 of unit 5 in today's video, and rest of the exercises we will do in next video. So take out your grammar book and fill all these exercises in your book. Okay. Exercise 1, page number 23. Underline the adjectives of quality in the following sentences and write the nouns they describe in the space given. 1 is done for you. In this question you have to underline the adjectives of quality and write the nouns in the space given. First, Akbar was a wise king. Underline wise and write king. Second, London is a large, busy city. Underline busy and write city. Third, the Rajputs are brave. Underline brave and write Rajputs. Fourth, the rose is a beautiful flower. Underline beautiful and write flower. Fifth, lions are strong, fierce animal. Underline strong and fierce, write animals. Seventh, the kind old man helped the poor women. Underline kind, old and poor because these are adjectives, and write man and women because these are nouns. Eighth, the foolish crow tried to sing. Underline foolish and write crow. Ninth, good boys always speak the truth. Underline good and write boys. 10th, these small mangoes have a sweet taste. Underline small and sweet because these are adjectives. These adjectives describe mangoes and taste. Taste is a abstract noun, so also write it in the given blank. Is 2, page number 24. Fill in the blanks with the suitable adjectives of quality given in the bubbles. You have to fill all these blanks with the options given in the bubbles. First, my knife is sharp. Second, monkeys have long tails. Third, what a clever boy you are. Fourth, good boys never tell lies. Fifth, the camel is a useful animal. Sixth, in India we have hot weather in summer and cold weather in winter. Seventh, an elephant is a big animal, a mouse is a small animal. Eighth, lemons are sour and grapes are sweet. Ninth, cruel boys throw stones at birds. Exercise 3, page number 25. Underline the adjectives of quantity in the sentences. First, there is little hope of her coming first in class. Underline little. Second, Hari gave us a pound of sweets. Underline pound because it is an adjective of quantity. Third, he has not done much exercise. Underline much. Fourth, I have very few pencils left. Underline few. Fifth, I ate some rice. Underline some. Sixth, she did not eat any rice. Underline any. Seventh, Sudhir ate up the whole cake. Underline whole. Eighth, he lost all his wealth. Underline all. Ninth, there was no water in the glass. Underline no. 10th, there is enough milk in the glass. Underline enough because all these are adjectives of quantity. Now exercise 4, page number 26. In the following sentences, underline the adjectives and circle the nouns they describe. In this question, you have to underline the adjectives and circle on that nouns which are described by the adjectives. First, she is 70 years of age. Second, the spider has 8 legs. Underline 8 and circle on legs because 8 is adjective and legs is noun. Third, he made many mistakes. Underline many and circle on mistakes because many is adjective and mistakes is noun. Fourth, some men are very cruel. Underline some and circle on man because some is adjective and man is noun. Fifth, there were 60 peaches in the box. Underline 60 and circle on peaches because 60 is adjective and peaches is noun. Sixth, some boys were swimming in the lake. Underline some and circle on boys because some is adjective and boys are noun. Seventh, are there any mango trees in the garden? Circle on mango trees and underline any because any is adjective and mango trees are noun. Eighth, few people attended the meeting. Underline few and circle on people. Few is adjective and people is noun. Ninth, the second boy in the line is my brother. Underline second and circle on boy because second is adjective and boy is noun. 10th, most children love ice cream. Underline most and circle on children because most is adjective and children is noun. So children, fill all these exercises in your grammar textbook. In next video, we will do rest 4 exercise of this unit. Okay. Have a nice day. Goodbye.